The HOVERair X1 PROMAX aims to change how we capture solo action with its 8K autonomous flying camera. It is designed to take the pilot out of the equation so you can focus on the movement. Check the link in the description for the best price. We looked at how this drone performs across 4 common use scenarios for creators. The automatic follow mode locks on its subjects effectively, making it a powerful tool for cyclists and hikers who need hands-free. It is incredibly easy to set up for travel shots, allowing you to capture yourself without needing a tripod or, if you are looking for a drone that handles like a traditional flyer, you may find the manual controls somewhat. While it captures sharp video, it lacks the sensor size and manual settings required for professional-grade cinematic aerial production work. It performs best when you let the automation take the lead for tracking and selfies, but here is how the value stacks up considering its features and market positioning. You are paying for the convenience of fully automated flight modes, which saves significant time for anyone working without a. The manufacturer continues to improve their software, which adds to the long-term confidence in the product's lifespan. When compared to other niche automated cameras, this model offers a distinct advantage in tracking reliability and build portability. At its current price point, the value is fair for the functionality provided, particularly if you are in the core. The feature set provides a solid return for solo creators, though potential buyers should weigh the. We evaluated the potential downsides and risks to consider before purchasing. The fully enclosed design and durable materials make this one of the safer drones to operate near people or in. While the operation is consistent, keep in mind that the shorter battery life means you'll need to manage your shooting. Warranty and support channels are accessible, though it is always recommended to verify the specific terms for your region. The app is functional, but users should be prepared for the occasional instance where the software struggles with particularly fast. While it is a safe and robust piece of hardware, you should be aware of that. This is a fantastic tool for solo creators who want hands-free tracking without the learning curve of a traditional drone. It excels at capturing the action as it happens. However, those looking for long-range manual flight or professional cinematic control should consider a standard drone instead.